We are right now in Grapevine Mall. It is a theme inside the mall known as Rainforest. It's very good entertaining for kids. You can see all are child animal based. This gives the look of rainforest and all the animals that are found in the rainforest. This is a restaurant inside. These are all themes, animal based. The forest, it is almost emulating the forest, rainforest, mainly for the kids' entertainment.
Hi, gang. I'm Tracy Tree. Everybody loves animals.
Margot,
The African rainforests are home to parrots, such as the African gray, and others too numerous to mention. The South American rainforest is home to macaws, Amazons, and toucans. The rainforests of Australia and New Zealand are home to lories and cockatoos.